I think Vallabhai is in flight. That's why.
Okay.
I hoping that is flight. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
maybe
The
yes.
Karan Johar invited him for Mumbai, Bandra,
For promotion of KGF 2,
for
I
dif-
think.
no, for discussing upcoming Dharma production movie.
Okay, okay, okay.
So,
Yes,
KGF panel is small banner.
yes, yes. Maybe
Yeah,
a movie can be Bala Ka Sala or something like that. No, Bala, 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 Saitan Ka
yeah,
or something like that. Maybe.
yeah. So that's why he's protected. See, completely protected. Even though vaccine are out, still
Yeah.
he see how you put mask.
Yes, yes. And complete covered marks.
Yeah, yeah.
He,
Balabai is disappeared.
yes, yes.
Otherwise, tomorrow they'll publish the news. So you will
Yes,
put
yes.
this as a record in
Mm,
YouTube, and everyone came to know that
yes, yes.
one South Indian guys
Yes,
they're
yes.
launching.
Yes. Vallabhai mentioned, sir, I forget my headset. That's why. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, yes. So, Devi bhai, anything new? What's anything?
nothing. And what 9 o'clock for me, the continuous meeting scheduled. Only today it did not happen. Otherwise, for next 1 month,
Okay, okay.
they continuous meeting
Bala bhai,
daily. So that's why I could not.
I know, Devi bhai, what I have observed till now, I
Yeah,
think working from home is
yeah,
more tough compared to working on office. Because today I met a student
correct, correct. Yeah, we,
1 month before he joined Byju's, and before two
okay,
days just he left the company. Then today I asked why you have left the
okay,
Byju's. Then he explains that this is so much burden. There is some hectic schedule, also physical burden, mentally torture because I have to close my work by 11 p.m. After that, I have attend to three
okay,
meetings with my manager. That's why I have
okay.
left that company. Something yes,
Yeah,
nowadays this is happening. Even in software industry, there are many people who are working for more than 10 hour, 12 hour, and every time you have to be prepared. Maybe you can accept
yeah,
calls. So that is happening. That's why.
correct. Yeah, there is no fixed timings, and you don't know if you go outright for lock the system. Somebody else will be pinging. What happened? That we
Yes,
don't
yes,
know.
yes, yes.
We cannot move away from one place.
Yes,
It is.
because you cannot switch off your laptop and also your phone.
Yeah,
But whenever
yeah,
you get any notification, then you have to reply. Maybe that is a notification related to your work. Yeah, there is any meeting
yeah,
schedule. So sometimes it
yeah.
creates so much disturbance because you cannot take relax for one
Correct.
minute or 2 hours or 3 hours. But when you working in office, at least your work time is 9 to 5. After that, you are free. You can take rest, something like that. But in I
Yeah,
think
correct.
yes, yes.
And Balabai should tell where he is going. See,
I think
with the
Balabhai
luxury.
is feeling very much shy because
Yeah,
he is in aeroplane. That's why he unable to speak. No,
yeah.
yes, yes, we can see it. Yes, Balabhai, you can see it. So Balabhai is here
Okay.
only for listening purpose. He is not going
Okay.
to do
See,
anything.
look at look at his interest. If
Yes,
I would have there in a Bala position, I could have
yes,
not
yes.
attend this. Yeah, he's very
Balabhai will
enthusiastic
listen
about.
and speak till last breath, you can say, because Balabhai is so
Correct.
dedicated to this group. So
Yeah,
that is really amazing thing. So
yeah.
okay,
I
so Devi bhai,
Bala. Yeah.
so I have a question for you. Why people are not taking 100% interest in vaccination? What is
It is because made in India. Yeah, the simple reason is made in India. So that is why, and many negative news are out. So those who are taken vaccine, they're affected. That's only some part of area. But I did see that many influential person, for example, like Manipal Hospital, the adopt Manipal Hospital taken vaccine, and many people I did see that they have taken, but many people are regretting, means they're stepping back for taking vaccine because it is not sure. There are two vaccines are there in India, like Covaxin and Covishield. It's from one is developed and manufactured from Pune, Serum Institute of India, and one more from the Bharat
Biotech.
Biotech. Yeah, there are two vaccines, and don't know what is the use of vaccine, and are still they're not publicly told. And as of now, the frontline workers, they are vaccinated for frontline workers, but when it comes to human, don't know. Means it is no clarity on that. So how many phases of trial they have taken, and many people are like in news also that it is not easy to develop vaccine within a year. It takes many years for after completing many trials, starting from animals to humans. So it is a travel like that, and 1% they're not observed properly. Once vaccine taken, they should have wait for 6 months what is the side effect or anything, but they're in urgency uh, to give vaccine. So that's why maybe people are fearing. So what will happen like that? Because now almost they're lost fearing about corona. Now the people are moving here and there without having any conscience about corona, because everybody came to know it is not a like big thing. We can fix, can vaccinate, or within a small help we can eliminate corona disease. That's why. So, but if my question, I also, as of now, as of today date, I will not take a vaccine. That is my stand on as of today. But as per based on all the different news sites, all right, I'm also don't know. I'm also not feeling positive about that
Well,
vaccine as of today.
sorry, Devi bhai,
Yeah,
I totally agree with your
yeah,
point because in earlier
yeah,
days, there was some rumors about the vaccine because that is not past the trial third. They have not did a trial third. That is also very
yeah, yeah.
important because after that trial you can
Correct.
take yes your vaccine is good or not. And they have
Yeah,
no any idea regarding how much this vaccine is effective. And also you
yeah,
can see people are afraiding because there are a lot of news. Yes, there is some side effect of this vaccine and people are not aware which type of side effect they are getting. That's why
okay.
in starting there near about 50 to 60 people are turned up for the vaccination, but
Okay.
nowadays slowly this is decreasing, this is not increasing because there
Yeah,
are various misconception among the people, and people are not
okay.
so much aware about that vaccine yes this is good or bad. And also there is a
Yeah,
confusion around Covishield and Covaxin. I think there are two vaccines, and
yeah,
because in one particular state you have sent I think Covishield, and some state you have said Covaxin, so people are also confused which vaccine is much better or good. That's why nowadays, as you mentioned, yes, I am not in a position to take that vaccine at right time. Maybe due to some news, some rumors, you can say this. Yes, we are not ready. And also, people were thinking, if there is no corona, then why I should take this? Because suppose I am
yeah,
suffering from the corona, then this is okay. I can take it. But if there is no
yeah,
any corona and I can cure myself within 7 to 8 days, then why I have to wait for 2 days for 28 days? Maybe that is possibility after taking vaccine after 5 months or 2 months, anyone can affect it. So I think government should have waited for some more days, near about 5 to 6 months, then we can say yes this is okay or not. Because firstly you
yeah,
should implement some trial on animals, and whatever data that is standard for trial, firstly it should be
yeah,
trial, then if you launch. So I think that create a good impression also. And also government is sending the vaccine to other country. Let's see, and we are hoping for positive response. Maybe in upcoming days people will turn up for vaccination, but it will take time as the process is going on. So maybe due to some negative news, as uh, I think in earlier days there were various negative news regarding this. This vaccine is not good because they have not done third trial, and we have not idea how much this
clinical trial. Yeah,
clinical trial,
clinical
how
trial.
much this vaccine is effective. So they had multiple news regarding that. That's why people are avoiding to take that vaccinate. But there are many people who are taking it, like frontline worker and the people who are working in government organization, they are taking it. So, and also, there are some news regarding this. Yes, there is some side effect because I think 5 to 600 cases are already reported in hospital cases after vaccination. This is happening, and that is not serious cases, but little bit that is happening. That's why people are, avoiding or just escaping from that vaccination. Let's see. We are hoping for some positive response. Okay, Supriya, are you there? If you want to speak something, so you can speak.
Yeah, yes, sir. Good
Yes.
evening.
Good evening.
So, as you told you in your audio clip, there are 25 people who have fear to take this vaccine, and 75% people have they are taking this vaccine without any fear, any hesitation. So yeah, so why people have fear, because they have seen some people take some people have taken this vaccine, and after then they find negative effect. It's been, some people have already any disease like TB, cancers, and they are all already taken they have already taken any medicine, any high level medicine. So it's not for that person, because it's this vaccine. Firstly, people should tell which type they have disease, and which type medicine they are taking, and after then they should take this vaccine. And yeah, and some people like in my area, still no one here fell in this coronavirus. So and so no one here no one so no one here taking this vaccine. And yeah, that's it.
So, Supriya, what do you think? What is basically reason behind that? Why people are not taking this? Just give your view.
There are there are several reasons. So this all reason are like uh, it's all behind people type, which type people. Some people are no some people have good enough information about this, and at they some people think I'm healthy, and so I'm good enough for me, so that's why they are not take this vaccine.
Okay, okay. So, Ganesh, what do you think? Ganesh,
Yes, yes, sir. It has so many reasons. Because first of all, one major reason is those people already suffering for any diseases, different disease. They have diabetes or like any normal diseases, and somewhere I don't know exactly, but somewhere some people tell. Those people have these diseases, vaccine are not taking the vaccine are not allowed. So that is also one of the reason, because nowadays we can see each and not but majority person have some normal diseases, diabetes, like diseases. Actually, I am not recalling all this. So that is also one of the major reason. And second thing is, as you people told, hesitation, hesitation of vaccine, and actually people are not trusting on the vaccine also, for and some people are not what we can say, means vaccine are not safe. Somewhere this is also rumors thing happen. So that is also some reasons to people not taking the vaccine. Yes, sir.
okay. So, Devi Bhai, what should government do for turn up maximum people, so maximum people can be
Yeah.
vaccinated.
So when we call to any other person, there is a default ringtone what we are getting. Like even though vaccines are out, if you are
Okay.
vaccinated, also still protect yourself and maintain the distance and all. So instead of that, they could have done in better way. Like they should give the information in such a way that the why the people are getting vaccinated. What is the purpose? It is main purpose is they should protect from upcoming. Like they should not affect any viruses in henceforth. So that is main condition, but it is not crystal clear for that. And where it is, if I want to take vaccine, where should I go? So there is that also no clear information. There is no database for that. And even local channels also not showing where it is vaccines are available, from where we can get the vaccines. So that is where it is missing, I think. Only tier 1 cities, all cities, only city, the government hospital, they are stored that vaccines. And what about the remote village there? They won't find these vaccines. So maybe they could have passed the press release with the proper way, that same thing happened for agricultural reform also. Nobody will understand what is that, and all with different clauses. So similar way, here also the government has said that only need a other document for getting vaccine. So and other than that, not require anything. So that is what some confusion is there. So, yeah.
Actually, I have not exact idea what is happening. I think there is an application you have to install and you have to register yourself. Then they are going to call you. Then you can vaccinate. And I think this is a process. But I think the information, uh, the awareness is lacking because not so many people aware of this. This is happening, and this is basically process. That's why the turning of people ratio is very less. At least I think there is in starting that was 50%, then again 17%. Now this is just decreases at 60 to 65%. I mean, still people are just running away from that process. I don't think why. Maybe there is some reason. So we have a Neha also. So Neha, what is your view?
I have not that much depth because in knowledge of this particular topic, because I'm not touch with current issues from last few weeks. So but my opinion could be like, if I will be away or staying away from this kind of vaccine, the first think what the first thought that will come into my mind, okay, let's other have it, let's see what's the consequence, whether people are getting well or not. So let's see. But and moreover, there is also a we can say they are scared, like if it didn't if didn't get well, right, didn't worked well on us, so what happened if we have any negative effect of it, so what would we do? So
So
such
Neha,
kind of
why do you think people are thinking as like this? Ki what should be negative impact or something like that? Because India has launched many vaccine, people are taking easily. Then why in the case of COVID-19 case, people are scared
because we
and just waiting for
see,
others result? Why? Yes.
because none other than this corona has that much impact on our lives. Okay. Corona is also the itself an answer that how much impact it has made on us from the last year. So people are really very scared, like by the name of corona uh, they are scared, like vaccine. First of all, they are not first of all, they have seen such kind of pandemic very first time, right? When then it came its vaccine, so it nobody will they want some proofs, we can say. It could be the reason they want some proofs. Okay, they have at least a thousand to 5,000 of people are saying, okay, this is past, we have taken medicine, vaccination, and there is no negative impact of it. So they want a word of mouth from the people. So they will, it will take time for to people to, you know, make their mindset, okay, now everything is under control. So it will
Actually,
take
Neha,
little time.
I agree with your point because I think government was in a hurry to launch this vaccine, and government has also not
Exactly.
give clear information to everyone. Yes, and because there are some news regarding the trial, clinical trial, because they have not passed any clinical trial. Without a clinical trial, they have just launched the vaccine. That's why people are just so much scared because they have no idea how this vaccine is going to impact or effect,
Going to react
because
or
we have
impact,
no
yeah.
idea. Nowadays just we are analyzing the data, how many people are just get vaccinated, then we can find exact data ki yes, the percentage ratio of this, then we can decide here this is good or not. Because when Serum Institute launched their vaccine, they have mentioned that this is going to be effective near about 60 to 70%. So
Honestly,
yes, Devi bhai. So actually, that's is main reason people are, that's why scared and just running away from the vaccination, as you mentioned, because they are waiting to see the results on others. If others are good, in good condition, there is no any side effect, then they can decide yes, we should also get vaccinated. But I think it will take some time. Then we can see after 5 to 6 months. Yes, now this is time we can take. As like our Prime Minister Modi ji has said, in second phase, I will also get a vaccine only to create awareness among the people. This is safe. Now you can take, because in other country you have seen the higher position people firstly they take to only create awareness among the people. Yes, if we can take, then you can also take. But in our country,
Exactly.
our political leaders just running away from the vaccine. They are saying,
They are much more scared than, you know,
yes.
normal people, common
So
people.
you are not
Sorry.
creating confidence in people. So you are leader, just come forward and take vaccine. So your follower at least can be sure, yes, my leader is taking, then why I cannot? Because this is happening in other country. You can see the Putin and I think Prime Minister of London. Firstly, they take vaccine only to create awareness. Yes, if we can take, then you can also take. But in our country,
Exactly.
every leader is just running away from
It's
the
a
fight.
reverse.
Yes, firstly let our
Common man, common
yes,
man take the
yes,
things,
then
and after
take.
that they will follow us.
Yes, yes. So I think that is wrong impression we have already created. And firstly, our political leaders should come forward. Yes, as our Prime Minister has said, "Ki in second phase I will take." He should take in first phase.
Why
So
not first? Why
yes.
not first?
Also, he is waiting for result. Ki yes, what is basically result?
Exactly the
Yes,
same thing.
yes. Then he will decide, ki yes, I have to take or not. If result is not good, then I will wait. But nobody is
Yeah,
going to remember for a long time. After 1 month, we are going to forget all the things, because condition will be normal. Because nowadays, life is at normalcy. You can see school is open, college is already open. So after 1 year, 2 months, everything will be normal. Nobody is going to focus on the vaccination. Yes, if government is doing, then we can take it. Otherwise, life is normal.
exactly.
So, Om and Pooja, if you want to say something on this topic, so you can speak, because we are talking since 9. That's why. Hello, Pooja and Om. Okay, I think nobody is interested to speak on this topic. So, Devi Bhai, so
yes, Mo.
time is completed. Just conclude all the point what we have discussed, because Neha have also spoken various point, also
Yeah,
taken example of our Prime Minister. So, what is your view? Why I think there should be a leader to
yes,
encourage the people and to create confidence
yeah,
in others, so they can come forward and take. Because you have also mentioned, yes, I am not agree to take that vaccine this time. Means you are also waiting for some response. Ki what is response? As
yeah. Correct. Yeah.
And sir, one thing is, so many medical staff is interested to take the Covaxin, sorry, Covishield, not interested for the Covaxin. So India launched two vaccine. Na?
There is also
Yes.
some confusion because people are just comparing which is better, and
Yes,
government has also,
actually, Covaxin
because government has
only.
sent some vaccine in some state and other vaccine in some
Yes,
state.
yes,
That's why it's also create some confusion among the people. Why government is doing it like this? Because if there is only one vaccine, so people are agree, yes, we can take it. But
yes, yes,
no, due to multiple vaccine, maybe people are just confused which is better.
yes.
So
And actually, Covaxin didn't verify the on the stage three. Covishield is only verified at the stage three. So that is also one of the reason people are not interested to take the Covaxin.
okay, okay. So Devi bhai,
Yeah. That's what the confusions are there. So which one to take on? Which one is better, and what is the efficiency in that? So there are two Covishield and
now there are two
the
questions.
vaccine.
One is why people are not taking interest, and second, what should government do so people can come forward and get vaccinated. So there are two questions. So please,
Yeah. Yeah, there are two questions, and definitely comes to the prime minister that he should take before they should give to the frontline workers, because as you see, the Israel or UK prime minister or many more other developed countries, they have taken it, but I don't know. Maybe he has like 65 years plus, right? And there is uh, one star mark also in vaccine. They should give some age limit is there, so maybe that is also one of the reasons why the prime minister not taken. Maybe it is my assumption. I'm not sure, but definitely for as a role
no,
model,
there are
he
many
should
political leaders who
he
are
should.
just less than 65 years. There are many leaders.
Yes, yes, yeah, I'm coming to that only. So that
Yes.
I'm coming to that one. Yeah, as a leader and as a we are followers of him since long when he was chief minister of Gujarat, and he is our role model. Definitely, he should have taken before us. So I'm waiting for once Narendra Modi has taken that, then I will take on next day. That is my oath in front of you. But on a serious note, the people like common people are not interested in vaccine because of lack of information or lack of what courage to go ahead and take, because many news are giving wrong fake information, and by the same way the Serum Institute of India or the Bharat Biotech has already announced that if anything goes wrong, we will pay that FT amount, not only small penny amount, we'll pay FT amount if anything goes to the person who is already taken vaccines. But the amount and it's secondary, but the life is important for anyone. So that's why, like polio, and polio also one of the vaccines. How the small kid are or the getting polio. That is polio also developed by India only. It is the manufactured in India only. Still, people are not worried about polio. Similarly, the years will come and the vaccines will be like people will understand what is the important, and as many people will take definitely.
Yes,
Yeah,
this is
that's why
only
lack of
matter of
information.
time. Only matter of
Yeah,
time. Only
correct.
we have to wait
Yeah,
6 to 7 months. After 1 year, everything will be normal. People will take easily because at least that time we can find the result. What is basically result? Because
yes,
to remove the polio from the India, it will take many years. Still, every
correct, correct.
Sunday,
Yeah,
दो बूंद
yeah.
जिंदगी की something like that is still going on. So I think it will happen in case of vaccine COVID-19 also. If you want to remove from the from the scratch, so it will take time. So Bala bhai, now you can enjoy your travel. I think you are
Yeah,
traveling, that's why, and just enjoy your journey. We will meet tomorrow, or not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Republic Day, so I think everybody will be busy and everybody will celebrate their freedom. So that's why
yeah.
tomorrow is as free speech day. So
Constitution. Everybody is understand the constitution tomorrow.
yes, yes, tomorrow.
Mm.
And tomorrow also a grammar lesson is scheduled because someone is just requested me,
Oh,
yes, I want to take
okay.
half an
Yeah,
hour grammar class. So I am to, okay, let's see.
definitely. Yeah,
Yes, there is a girl, Subhangi. So
Yeah.
she is expert in grammar. So she is requesting
Okay.
me, कि I want to take
Yeah.
class. I'm like, yes, that is fine. If at least I am interested to take class, people will
Yeah.
turn up or not. But this is okay. At least we can understand, we can learn what is grammar,
Correct. Yeah.
how to use.
Yeah.
So because we are speaking that is good, but as we
Correct.
are making so much mistake also. So firstly,
Mistakes. Yeah. Yeah.
yes, at least we can learn कि yes where we are making mistake, and next time at least we can rectify our mistake, because this is
Yeah.
much necessary. Then we can say
Correct.
yes we are improving, also we are learning. If we are making mistake again and again and same mistake, so that is not good. So okay, so
Yeah. We
thank you
should
Devi bhai for
reduce
joining,
mistakes.
because
Yeah.
you are
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
a barrier for me. At least you are here, so I am here also. Because
Yeah.
every day I just log in and wait for 3 to 5 minutes. If people turn up, then I will discuss. Otherwise, just
Yeah.
cancel the meeting, just do my work. So thank you
Okay.
for turning up.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you for.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Bala bhai,
Bye.
Ganesh,
Bye.
Pooja
Thank you.
and Om bhai. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.